Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Solitaire. First, let's get set up. You'll need a standard deck of 52 playing cards. Deal 28 cards into 7 piles, called the tableau. The first pile gets 1 card, the second gets 2, and this continues all the way to the 7th pile, which receives 7 cards. Make sure to turn the top card of each of these 7 piles face up so you can see them. The remaining cards form your stockpile. Now, let's talk about moving cards around in your tableau. You can move cards between these 7 piles to create descending sequences of alternating colors. For instance, a red 5 can be placed directly on top of a black 6. When you move a card, remember to flip over the card underneath it if it was face down. If you clear an entire column, only a king can be moved into that empty space to start a new sequence. Your main objective in Solitaire is to move all 52 cards to 4 special areas called foundation piles. These are built by suit, starting with an ace. So, once you uncover an ace, you can move it to one of the 4 foundation spots. Then, you'll build on that ace with a 2 of the same suit, then a 3, and so on, all the way up to the king. If you run out of moves in the tableau, don't worry. You can use the remaining cards in your stockpile. You can draw cards from the stock either 1 at a time or 3 at a time, depending on the game variation. Look for any cards you can play on your tableau or move to the foundations. Keep going until all 52 cards are neatly stacked in their 4 foundation piles, and then you've won.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.